Marketing Director of Ocean Breeze Water Park here on opening day, May 17th. We're excited to have our first annual event, a dolphin race in our river, so I'll let her tell you more about it.
Hi, I'm Karen Lane. I'm the Executive Director of the We Promise Foundation, and we're so excited to partner with Ocean Breeze today for their opening day and bring the first annual Dolphin Derby to benefit the We Promise Foundation.
The park has over 30 rides, slides, and attractions, and the attraction that the race will be on is the Adventure River. They're going to race from right behind us, dropping in just a few minutes, going all the way around the river, and we're looking forward to seeing who will win at the finish line.
Well, the totals are still coming in, but we sold approximately 1,400 dolphins, so we're very excited. 100% of the proceeds will go to benefit the We Promise Foundation. And the We Promise Foundation is a charitable arm of Chartway Federal Credit Union, and we raise money to help children that are battling life-threatening illnesses and give them a day to just see a child and put all their medical worries and concerns behind them.
I like that there's no sand. I mean, there is some sand, but you can choose where you want to be in the park where there is no sand. I like that. I like the wave pool, the lazy river, and their slides. I've been coming here since 2004, and they've made improvements to the park, and it's a lot of fun. You get sun, there's plenty to eat, a variety of foods, and anyway, I love coming here. I come probably maybe 6 or 7 times a month, whenever I can, and meet a lot of people.